2 packages of our Knorr taco rice, all in our crock pot. I'm coming in with 4 cups of chicken broth, and we are gonna use this whole box of chicken broth. This is gonna help cook that rice and also add some great flavor, way better than using water. So we're gonna make sure we get all of that in there. Oh, I love this rice. It is so tasty. All right, that is perfect. Now I have 29 ounces of black beans that we drain, and we're gonna add all of that right in there with the rice and the broth. Now, if you don't like black beans, you can use kidney beans, you can use garbanzo beans, you can use whatever bean you like, but I think black beans have some great protein. Continuing with the taco flavor palette, we are gonna add 1 jar of our paste salsa right in there. You can use the mild, the medium, or the hot, but you have to add this salsa because it's gonna add some great flavor. Oh, it smells good already. We're making sure to get this completely emptied into our crock pot. Yum. All right, we're gonna come in with our 3 large chicken breasts that we chopped up into small pieces. We're gonna add our taco seasoning right in there. We're gonna make sure to get a good amount of that taco seasoning in there. I might need to use the bigger opening for this so we can actually get some out. But this is gonna add some more flavor, and this is gonna cook beautifully with that rice in the crock pot. So just make sure to get it nice and seasoned. All right, that looks like it's enough. Go in with our glove, and we're just gonna toss our chicken in the taco seasoning. You can season this however you like. I just think the taco seasoning goes well with the taco rice and everything else that we have going on here. So make sure everything gets coated in that seasoning. All right, and this is ready to go into our crock pot. We're going to place our small chicken pieces right in there. Oh yeah, and then this is gonna be ready to get cooking. Such an easy all-in-one crock pot dinner, perfect for weekdays. You can set it and forget it. It is gonna be amazing.
It smells delicious.
Oh yeah, all of those taco flavor smells are really hitting the spot. Perfect. All right, we're gonna give this a quick little mix to make sure everything gets well combined. Oh yeah, so tasty. All right, this is ready to start cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high. Oh yeah. All right, it's been 2.5 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. You can tell that that rice is nice and fluffy. That chicken should be fully cooked, but this is not done yet. We all know this is missing some cheese.
Oh yeah.
So we are gonna sprinkle this whole bag of Mexican blend Tillamook cheese right on top of this entire crock pot, kind of get it nice and spread out. And then we're gonna put this lid back on, and that cheese should be melted in about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, that cheese is melted. We can finally turn off our crock pot, and let's dig in. Ooh, cheesy rice and chicken. Oh my goodness, it is time to dig in. We gotta make sure we get some chicken when we scoop our delicious chicken and rice. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got plenty of chicken. Woo! Get some of that juices on there. That looks really, really tasty. Woo-hoo. All right, let's cut into that chicken and see how it's cooked. Oh, obviously perfection. Mm-mm-mm.